दोस्तों, आपको अगर हमारी वीडियो पसंद आए तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, घंटे को दबाएं, ऑल प्रेस करें हमारी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talking about a problem in Paramount due to which live streaming is not possible for Paramount. If you are also facing problem related for live streaming in Paramount, then you must watch this video completely. And friends, if you like our videos, then please like and share video, subscribe this channel. First time you are going to Paramount website, paramountplus.com, and so friends, what should you do to first if you are facing the issue type to problem on Paramount Plus? You should go to there was a website and file a complaint with the because why is this type of issue. So type you facing of the issue because see this type error on the website if related for the facing issue problem and down website server error, you can contact to team and solve this problem. Paramount team have been two way for the contact and in official website contact then but official Twitter handle too. So friends, if you are enjoy this video and would you like to share and subscribe Paramount live streaming problem in this time because are you facing this issue? So going to Twitter and Twitter handle to official Paramount Plus website to send your problem and tweet to solve this problem. Thank you for watching this video.